This is the quick unboxing and review of the Realme motion activated night light. Realme branding written in the side of the box back. These are the salient highlighted features of the night light. Human motion detection, eye-friendly diffused lighting, and powerful magnetic design. Price of the product is written here 999, but I have got this product only at 500 rupees around. Let's open the box pack, but I have cut the seal earlier. These are the 3 AAA size battery already provided by the company for fueling the night light. Company claims it will last up to 365 days for first set of battery. This is the main unit, which is known as the motion activated night light. And inside it you will find some documentation. Read it carefully before using this product or watch the video carefully. Now let's open the main unit, that is the motion activated night light. You can see the color of the motion activated night light is totally white. At the back side of the night light you will see there are two icons. One is lock icon and one is unlock icon, and respective arrow is also given there. So you have to open this back side in this way. After opening the back case you will be able to see the battery compartment. So open the given battery and one by one insert it in the proper polarity. Inside the battery compartment you will be able to see two intensity settings. One is at 3 lumen and next one is higher setting at 10 lumen. Adjust the intensity according to your requirement. You can see the light emitting zone is circular and looks very beautiful. Now we are turning the intensity gear to the higher position and you will be able to see the difference. You see, the intensity has been increased from 3 lumen to 10 lumen. See the closer look of the intensity settings inside it. Inside the interior, you can also see 3 steel button-like things are there. These are actually strong magnet. I am showing you, these are the strong magnet. You can see here. See. Second magnet. This is the small third magnet. Once again, see the closer look of the interior. Now let's close the back cover and rotate in the indicated direction shown in the icon. When the back cover will be successfully locked, you will get one click sound here. Next part of the video will show you how to use this night light. The rated power of the night light is 0.45 watt. Now I will attach this night light with this almirah. You know, this almirah is made up with the magnetic substance, so automatically it will attach. You can see here. Human motion cannot be detected by this night light unless and until the room is being totally dark, completely dark. Now I am making the room dark by switching off the room's light. Now if I move in front of the light, the motion can be detected and the light automatically will be switched on. You see, the light will automatically go out after 15 seconds. Now I am switching on the room's light. You can see here, it's still glowing. It will automatically switch off after 15 seconds. So you'll see it will switch off now. Yes. According to the requirement of your use, you can change the intensity by opening the back case. You can see here. Now turn the gear according to your requirement to the lower side or the higher side. Now I am going to lower side and it will work accordingly. In the similar way, same fashion, it will work when there will be no light in the room, that is the room is totally dark. It will detect the human motion. After detecting the human motion in the dark, the light automatically will be switched on. See this one. Human motion detection I have seen in this light is very accurate and instantaneous. This type of light is very useful at night, at staircase, at balcony and doorways or hall room.